Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Yamaha FZ07. This twin-cylinder naked sport bike just arrived with only 13,000 miles on the odometer. It's got a really cool black finish, engine guards, fender eliminator. Wait till you hear that SC Project exhaust system. Really cool bike. Come on by, make your naked street fighter dreams come true with this gorgeous Yamaha. Price to sell just $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.